how to transfer from crypto.com to Phantom Wallet. This tutorial explains how to send Solana tokens from your crypto.com app to your Phantom Wallet. First, open the crypto.com application on your phone. If you do not already own Solana, you will need to acquire some by selling another crypto asset for it. Once you have Solana, select the transfer option and then choose withdraw. If you haven't added your Phantom Wallet yet, tap the plus sign to add a new wallet address. Choose Solana as the currency you are sending. For the network, select the Solana network. Next, open your Phantom wallet, select your Solana token and tap deposit. Copy the provided address. Go back to the crypto.com app and paste this address into the address field. You can also give the wallet a name for easy identification. After adding the address, select it and enter the amount of Solana you wish to send. If this is the first time you are sending to a new wallet address, there may be a 24-hour waiting period after adding the address before you can make the transaction. After initiating the transfer, go back to your Phantom wallet. To see your tokens, you may need to go to Manage Token List, search for Solana and enable it. In your Solana wallet, you will be able to see the recent activity, which will show a confirmation of the received transaction. The Solana network can sometimes be slow due to high transaction volume, so be patient.